The United States has crossed 50 million coronavirus cases. After about 2 months of declining infections, cases have been on the rise for the past 2 weeks, driven by the Delta variant. Now, it still accounts for 99% of current cases, despite Omicron being detected in close to half of US states. Despite a widespread vaccination program, more Americans have also died from COVID this year than last.
The United States reached 800,000 COVID-19 related deaths on Sunday, according to a Reuters tally, a number that exceeds the entire population of North Dakota. The milestone comes as the nation braces for a potential surge in infections due to colder weather pushing more Americans indoors and the highly transmissible Omicron variant. Even with vaccines widely and freely available, the U.S. has lost more lives to the virus this year than in 2020 due to the more contagious Delta variant and people refusing to get the vaccine.
Will you get vaccinated? No?
No.
Health experts say the deaths in 2021, which account for 57% of the total U.S. COVID death toll since the pandemic started, were mostly unvaccinated patients. Other countries have lost far fewer lives per capita in the past 11 months, according to the Reuters analysis, which shows that among the wealthy G7 nations, the U.S. ranks the worst in terms of per capita deaths from COVID-19. Among the more than 200 nations and territories tracked by Reuters, the U.S. ranks 36th. The U.S. has the highest total of reported COVID-19 deaths in the world, followed by Brazil and India, according to the Reuters tally. New infections in the U.S. were averaging around 120,000 a day, with Michigan contributing the most cases. According to the Michigan Health and Hospital Association, COVID-19 patients were filling state hospitals at record levels, and 3 out of 4 patients were unvaccinated. The Reuters analysis showed that of the 10 states that reported the most deaths per capita in the last 11 months, 8 were from the country's south, with Alabama, Oklahoma, and West Virginia reporting the most deaths per capita from January 1st to the end of November.